Morning to all of you. I'm really delighted to be part of this inauguration ceremony, and I'm quite excited to see the lot of traders, the LED developers in these exhibitions. I also welcome the Mr. Satyendra Jain, Honorable Minister of Power, Home, Health, Industry and Government of Delhi, Shri Rajiv Sharma, CMD, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, Dr. Sandeep Garg, and Manik Raj from Messi Frankfurt. Well, before I deliver my remarks, kindly allow me to congratulate the Messi Frankfurt who has organized this show, which will basically give a platform for the interactions so that this business could move far ahead. I'm from Ministry of Urban Development, and the surname of our ministry is Development. But the development doesn't comes alone; it comes with some negative spillovers also. I would like to mention some of the challenges, issues which we will have to face if we'll go with the pace of urbanization in India. As per the present statistics, roughly about one-third of the India is living into the urban areas, and two-thirds is in rural areas. And we expect that in the next coming 2 or 3 decades, this percentage will be 50-50%. That means that 50% of the India will be living in the urban areas. This huge migration from rural to urban areas is going to put a lot of pressures on the urban civic communities, including the availability of the powers. And if I go by the figures, right now in the urban sector, urban areas, 40% of the electricity is consumed by the buildings. And when the 50% of the population will be living in the urban areas, this figure might cross 70 to 80%. We can imagine the huge amount of power which will be requiring in both aspects. We will need to think that we will have to increase our energy generation as well as the power consumption and effective utilization of the energy which is available to us. And when we talk about the effective utilizations, the LED is the best solution which we will have today, with which we can definitely say that we will have a less degradation of the environment. As far as the Ministry of Urban Development is concerned, we keep on launching various schemes, and we see that the use of LED is mitigated into our urban local bodies. Recently, you might be aware that the ministry has launched a very flagship scheme of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, building of the 100 smart cities and Amrit missions. And in 100 smart cities, we have mentioned particularly that one of the conditions of the cities for getting a grant will be when they will have efficient street lighting systems. And those cities will qualify to be smart cities, which will promise us that all the streets of these cities will be changed to the LED lighting. So these type of issues is going to be great boost to the LED consumption in India. The second condition that we have mentioned into our scheme is that 80% of the building should be energy efficient and the green buildings. Energy efficiency means that you will have to go for the LED lighting. The third condition that we have put up into our scheme is that the 10% of the energy consumption of a building should come from the solar cells, solar voltaic rooftop that we're going to install. And when we will think about the energy efficiency, definitely the LED will be a source in which we will try to reduce the net consumption of a particular buildings. Now, Ministry has also taken other initiatives in terms of acts and regulations. We have drafted certain building bylaws. We request all the states government to follow those building bylaws. And in the building bylaws, we have particularly mentioned that the use of the solar as well as LED lighting in this respects. The main challenges in the LED propagation is the awareness. And the event like this is going to create more awareness into the people, into the public, which will give a tremendous boost to the consumption of these LEDs. In the last, I wish a great success to this event, and I hope that all the participants who are there will get a good opportunity to interact with each other, giving a boost to this business, so that a more energy efficient, cost efficient, and environment friendly products can be produced for the consumption. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pramod Kumar, for taking us through the initiatives of the Ministry.